This is Captain Larry on Pacific Child. It's the 4th of January 2018, and this is how we're going into the year. There's the stove working. Burner simmers just like it should. No explosions. Got the, whoops, that fell down. Got the settee doped out here, so I know what I have to do. This gap here, I have to put a double or piece of plywood on there and a stringer on that to support the back edge of these berth panels, but at least we've got it figured out. We know what to do. It won't be that hard. So there's some progress. We got the solar panels charging the starting battery, and so there you see 13.8, 14 volts charging from the solar panels. So that'll keep the starting battery up. Up in the rain here. Got a new gauge and a new tank in there, a new line, so that propane is all working. Got temporary solar panels up here on the top of the boat, so we've got a way to keep the starting battery up. Doped out the wiring here some. Found the hidden DC disconnect switch for everything in the house. So all the radios, the lights, everything was on a breaker hidden back here where no human could ever find it. If you didn't know it was there, you couldn't find it. Got an AGM battery in here for the house. I've got another one just like it. So I'll parallel those. Those will run the house. Deep cycle AGM batteries, and we got the wet starting battery still. So we're getting there. We're ready to put the water tank in, put some water in, and start working on the water pump. So we're getting pretty good here, I would say. You know, still got stuff stacked around, but we'll figure out soon. Pardon the waving camera thing here. Those are just taped up. I've got all the pieces that go back in here to make the dish racks. So that's another puzzle. We'll figure out how to do those, sand them up, varnish them up, reinstall them, make it look like it's supposed to. Here's the quarter berth. That's got cushions in it. It's got clean cushions here in the forecastle. I got a bunch of stuff stored in here, so I took the other cushion, stuck it up on the wall. Here's all the wooden parts that have to get sorted, varnished, put back in. But compared to how it was, a considerable improvement. This is what the settee framework is supposed to look like. And what's happened is somebody has cut off about 4 inches off the bottom of this panel right here, which is the back support for the settees. Now I think they did that because they were, let me pull this out of here, they were improving the whole bulkhead joint. All of those bulkhead joints have been reinforced, and so they're all retabbed all throughout the boat. But why he decided to trim that down, I don't know, unless he was going to build a settee with a table in the middle here instead, but I'm not doing that. So there we are. That's the progress we've made since early November.